Welcome to Series 3 Tech News. Today we are going to discuss about nested for loop. A nested for loop is nothing but a loop inside another for loop. This is one for loop. If you observe the code inside this for loop, there is another for loop. If we write a code in such a way, it is called nested for loop. This is one example where this is the outside for loop. If you observe inside this for loop, there is another one more for loop. How exactly it works? So first it starts with the first for loop and it initializes I equal to 1 and verifies the condition I less than or equal to 3. That is 1 less than or equal to 3. It is true. It goes inside and again another for loop. So it also initializes j equal to 1 and verifies the condition j less than or equal to 3. It is 1 less than or equal to 3 is true. It comes inside and it executes this particular block of code. I value space j value we are printing. So it prints I value j value and goes to the this for loop increment. It increments the j value by 1. That means j equal to 2. 2 less than or equal to 3. It goes here. It prints I value as 1 and j value as 2. And again it goes here j value 3, 3 less than or equal to 3, condition true. Come here, I value 1, j value 3, it prints, again it goes to here, 3 plus 1, it is 4, 4 less than or equal to 3, the condition is failed. So it comes out of this for loop. As soon as it comes out of this for loop, there is a outside for loop. It goes here, it increment I value. Previously I value was 1, now it becomes 2. 2 less than or equal to 3, true. Come here and print 2 comma 1 2 comma 2 2 comma 3. Again I value 3, 3 less than or equal to 3, condition is true. It goes print 3 1 3 2 3 3 and again I value is gonna increase 4 less than or equal to 3, it is false. It comes outside of this. Let's execute this. So you can see this is the output. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching.